So today, one of the things I wanted to talk about is a little element for backyards. So I kind of made my own little makeshift backyard. Sorry about that. What I'm going to put together today is clotheslines. There we go, that's one side. So a nice little detail element, brown tall 1x piece, and then here I have a 6x1. There we go. The nice part is these have the little notch in the middle, which will center these just right. I'm going to put that here. I don't know if that'll be long enough, but we'll see. So another little element that's perfect for putting in your own little clothesline for a backyard is the little string that has the stud at the end. So the string has two studs, one on either end. These are perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. See if I can successfully manage this without destroying the clothesline. So I'll add this right there. See if I made it long enough. I'll just take this off. So what I'm doing is I'm actually adding it to the bottom as opposed to the top. So it's, oops, so you can't really see it. So it's attached to the bottom. And I'll just pull the string apart. And you can either have it sag just a little bit or pull it nice and tight. There we go. There you go. There's one side of the, bring this forward a little bit. There we go. There's one side. Flip it around. So that's kind of how it would look from this side. Now, if you don't have the string that's got the studs on either end, I kind of came up with a little cheap alternative. Not quite as good, but the 1x piece that has the little connectors, the little stud connectors on either end on one side, and you can just attach those down to the bottom. They're not quite as nice as the two studder, but it'll do the job. Okay, so let me go ahead and add these. I will add this. I'll just add this on the end piece here so you can see a little bit better. This side's not exactly tied off because I wanted to see how tight I could make it, so I'm just gonna, may or may not come off when I attach it. So there you go. So there you go. So I'm not gonna tighten it. I'm just gonna leave it for now. But there it is. It's not as, definitely not as clean as using the actual string with the two studs, but it's definitely an alternative, something you can use if you want to add some clothesline elements to your backyard.